from my repair guys. They're both running now. Charged me $40 to fix both of them. And then I wanted to pick up the other two lawnmowers, and he says, well, he'll give me $10 for the both of them, which I probably shouldn't have sold, but I paid $30 to have both of these going. So, I haven't really tested them yet. Watch out for the dust. Good with that one. That was worth $15 for garbage. Started on one pull. Different kinds of mowers. That's a mulcher and that's a sidekick. And that's what scrapping's about. All right. Sold one for $60, and we got that out of the scrap. And then we're gonna get $60 for this one. How can people throw this kind of stuff away? Man, only 40, 60. Give me the money today. Okay, well, I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna go ahead and run this up front on this busy corner. Court trying to sell it today. All it needs is a for sale sign, and it'll sell today. All right.